we going, Kenny?
Oh, we're going to get insulation for the building. And the pantry looks different today. They got a new front end.
Hey, good morning. Got the Omongo man out here in the garage. It's bright and early. KJ and I are off on a little trip here. Gonna go get some insulation for his building. So come with us. KJ and I are just chilling, waiting on the truck to arrive. We're sitting out here in the middle of Ohio. He's over there messing around with TikTok or whatever, and we're just sitting here kibitzing before the truck gets here. So we're picking up 105 4x8 sheets of 2-inch poly ISO. Is it paperback? Both sides? Used. We don't know exactly what it is. We just know it's 4x8 by 2. So we'll soon find out as soon as the truck gets here. KJ talked to the guy. He's supposed to be about 20 minutes out.
Again, these are used 2-inch by 4x8 paper faced poly ISO.
Yep, there you go.
Not in perfect shape from shipping and handling, etc. Fairly decent condition. Again, I'll send the 105, so there's plenty of material.
105 sheets, that should be plenty. And we'll get this stuff loaded up and then head on back home. Absolute gorgeous morning out here in Ohio. All right, everybody, so we got everything loaded up. Now we're on our way home. About an hour and 15 minutes left to go. We just stopped to check the straps. Got everything all loaded up, looking good. All right, see us at the house. All right, we successfully made it home with all 105 sheets. And got them offloaded in the shop. Now it's time to start insulating. KJ's buffing on Clifford there a little bit, making the wheels look better. It's a bunch of insulation. Got to get it hung in the walls here. Gonna start sealing this place up.